Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm making a steak sandwich I had left over from my steak last night. Preheat the pan, and you can use any kind of sandwich or any kind of bread, and just spread over some butter on both sides of the bread. Put it on a pan. Since I don't have any fresh garlic, so I just sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder and spread it all over. Now I'm flipping my toast or my bread, just making sure I'm distributing the garlic evenly. Sprinkle more garlic on the other side of the bread. Spread the garlic powder all over the bread. Make sure the pan has enough butter so it will not burn the bread, and make sure it's in low heat. Once it is brown, you can set aside the sandwich. And now I'm going to heat up the steak. I added a little bit of butter for extra flavor. I'm heating up some broccoli from my dinner last night as my side. Now it's all ready. It's time for lunch. Enjoy everyone. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to comment down below and subscribe to my channel.